Welcome to Insulite Health, where we empower women with PCOS to transform their lives. You can find us at insulitehealth.com. You're watching The Weekly Tip with Robin Nielsen, Chief Wellness Officer.
PCOS is a well-known cause of infertility in women, but did you know that PCOS can also increase your risk of miscarriage once you become pregnant? In fact, the rate of miscarriage among women with PCOS is as high as 50%. Hi, I'm Robin Nielsen, Chief Wellness Officer here at Insulite Health, PCOS.com. Are you dealing with the devastating and frustrating symptoms of PCOS? Please know that you're not alone. Like millions of women worldwide, I too suffer from PCOS, a health condition with serious consequences. A miscarriage is a heartbreaking tragedy for any woman. I experienced this firsthand when I had a miscarriage with my third child. But it's especially tragic when pregnancy is difficult to achieve in the first place, or if you've been told by your doctor that you'll never have a child. I've heard this story from so many women. They've given up hope. It's important to know that PCOS is the leading cause of female infertility, and women with symptoms of polycystic ovary syndrome or hormonal imbalance often struggle to become pregnant. If you finally do become pregnant, PCOS can cause a number of complications, including a greater likelihood of miscarriage prior to the 24th week of pregnancy. The hormone imbalances in PCOS cause irregular ovulation or even lack of ovulation due to higher than normal androgen or male hormone levels. High male hormone levels are caused by insulin resistance. Insulin resistance is your body's inability to get blood sugar into your cells to use as fuel, so we feel fat and tired. Insulin is the key that gets sugar into your body's cells for energy. Additionally, there are studies that show hyperprolactinemia or high prolactin levels can be a factor in infertility in women with PCOS, which is caused by higher estrogen levels or central neurotransmitter dysregulation, which can both be present in women with symptoms of PCOS. These factors can make it impossible to become pregnant. But PCOS should not rob you of the ability to become pregnant, nor the positive, healthy pregnancy outcome you desire. The good news is that you have all the power to heal your body to become pregnant and carry a baby to full term. We've seen this happen so many times with our PCOS 5-element system. We're the leader in naturally reversing PCOS symptoms and restoring the proper balance of hormones. Here's some feedback from one of our customers, Teresa Parsons. She writes to us, 3 years ago, I was diagnosed with PCOS when I went to my gynecologist because I had not had a period in over 6 months. He told me that PCOS meant I could never conceive children. I left that appointment feeling devastated. I went home and did a basic search for PCOS, and the Insulite website was one of the first things that popped up. I began the PCOS 5-element system, and that next December I found out I was pregnant. My son was born in September 2013. Over these last 3 years since I started on my Insulite journey, I preached the Insulite gospel to all of my friends. I now know of 3 other Insulite babies besides my own. And another woman, another customer of ours, Chelsea, wrote to us, I recommended the system to a dear friend of mine. Her symptoms seemed worse than mine, and after she'd been on the system for 2 months, she was pregnant. This is after years of trying, many miscarriages, and doctors saying she'd never carry a child. She was pregnant, and she now has a beautiful baby girl. We have many stories like this. The Insulite system combines essential nutrients, carbohydrate craving awareness, food as medicine, movement as medicine, and support to give you the best chance for overall good health for fertility. Are you ready to be proactive about your health? If so, please go to PCOS.com for more information. There you can find out how the PCOS 5-element system can benefit you. We're here to support you every step of the way.
As always, the best discussions happen after the episode over at insulitehealth.com. Head on over there now and leave a comment. Did you like this video? If so, subscribe to our YouTube channel and share it with all of your friends who you think might benefit. And if you want even more great resources, plus some insights from Robin that she only talks about in email, come on over to InsuliteHealth.com and grab your free PCOS Diet Success Jumpstart Guide to get regular email updates. We'll see you next week.